Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Xfinity account is active and you know the password. That matters because some hotspots link to your account. On the Ps5, open Settings Network, set up internet connection and enable Wi-Fi, then scan for the Xfinity Wi-Fi or Xfinity SSID and select it. Once done, the console will attempt to connect. If the sign-in portal appears on the Ps5, follow the prompts. If no portal appears, don't panic. Keep going to register the device or use the Xfinity app. Now you handle authentication. If the Ps5 shows the browser sign-in page, enter your Xfinity credentials or accept guest terms. This authenticates the console. If the captive portal won't load on the Ps5, open the Xfinity My Account app or a phone browser. Sign in to Xfinity Wi-Fi and look for device registration to add your Ps5 MAC address. You'll find that in Ps5 settings system console information. Also make sure the signal is strong. Wi-Fi drops cause slow speeds and disconnects during gameplay. Finish by testing the connection. Go to Settings Network, test internet connection to confirm download/upload speeds and NAT type. This tells you if online play will work. If latency or DNS issues persist, manually set DNS, for example 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 and retry the test. If you can't reach the captive portal, the key troubleshooting tip is to sign in using your phone or the Xfinity app and register the Ps5 MAC address in your account, then reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.